Hi, welcome to the quick method. So let's talk about how we can reduce the motion sickness using the iOS 18 new feature on iPhone. So let's get started. So in order to reduce the motion sickness, you just have to tap in on your settings and then go into accessibility under general settings. And here you will see motion on the fourth option. Just tap on that. And so here you will see show vehicle motion cues. Basically it will give you dots on your edge of your phone screen so that when you will move, the dots will move and you will not feel dizzy. So let's set that to on. You can also put it on automatic and it will automatically detect that whether you are traveling or you're on a plane or car. So it can automatically do that, but let's say for the sake of this tutorial I'm turning it on. So now if I move my phone, you can see the dots are moving. So basically it basically works with your vision and gives you an illusion of a stationary phone, and you don't feel dizzy like you feel in the car. So it will help you use your phone or read something on your phone while traveling on plane, on a boat, or on a car. So you can basically use this feature, and I'm not sure that how very well this works, but this looks promising to me. So let's see with time how this turns out to be. This is how you basically reduce the motion sickness using the iOS 18 new feature. So I hope it helped. If it did, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.